Hi guys, how you doing? My name's Matt. Welcome to my little channel. We have about 1,600 subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me for the last year. It's coming. It's what's middle of November now, and it's been a rubbish year. I just want to recap before I move on. It's getting cold. I can't use the printer unless the heating's cranked up. So I've got a couple of days now where I can print and then prepare myself for colder months. So let me turn this camera around and we'll have a look at what to expect in the next 3 or 4 months. Okay, so this is Ladypool, a Deadpool, whatever you want to call her. Finding the filming of this project really difficult because it's a bit of this and a bit of this and a bit of everything else. But she's coming out really nicely. I'm working on leather boots and gloves at the moment, and little Wolverine and Spider-Man is on her side, just like that. Okay, right, so that's her. I've also got a couple more other projects that I'm printing, trying to get as much done as I can, which are you might have seen this on a couple of other subscribers, YouTubers channels. There you go. This is Venom, which I am painting for someone, and it needs to be a certain height to get on his shelves, and we are nearly done with the printing. I put things in my window to cure because it's sunlight's free, so parts like that, and the head, it looks like that. Let's get the light a bit better. There you go. So I had to rescale this in 1/9 scale just for it to get it on its shelf. The tongue is still supported, and I'll cure that and then snip the supports off later because they're all light supports anyway. So that's that. Let's move this along. Move that out of the way. These are the other projects that I'm working on, well, printing. This one is very noticeable as Spider-Man, 1/8 scale. It's very good. He is joined by a 1/8 scale Hulk, which is very, very big. It's about 4 times bigger than Ladypool. Just move these bits out of the way. So this would be the base for the Hulk. Hulk will be lying in somewhere like that, and then Spider-Man's foot goes in like that, leg goes in like that, Body would go like that. So this is Spider-Man versus Hulk. I've still got the parts for Hulk to print, both arms, both legs, and a pair of shorts. That's that. Move this out the way, and I can show you what else I'm working on. As I said, these are for next year. I've got an operation, and I've got about 6 weeks off work, and I want to keep myself busy. So this is the other project. I don't do many females, and I don't do many females with skin, because skin is my Achilles heel. And this is Poison Ivy. I'm going to get that part round the right way. Poison Ivy, one leg, and she is a good 12 inches tall. And a bit like that. I've got her head somewhere. I think it's drying from the IPA at the moment. I'll try and find her. Bear with. So that's Ivy's head, which goes on like that. So that's that. So yeah, so 4 projects on the go: Ladypool, Spider-Man vs. Hulk, Venom, and Poison Ivy. So stick around if you can. You could even comment which one you would like me to do next, and I'll try and make it happen. Thank you very much for this year. It's been absolutely trash. If you've watched my previous videos, yeah, there's a big explanation. Basically lost both my parents this year, and my father's sister, which was the 3 that got me into modelling in the first place. So trying to carry on has been hard, and let's see how I get on. Cheers, guys.